Hey guys, Joanne here with Newegg TV. I'm here to do an overview on this Cooler Master CM Storm QuickFire Pro mechanical gaming keyboard. But we have the QuickFire Rapid here with us that we've already done a video on, but it's in this video because we want to make comparisons between the two. I just want to point out a couple differences between the two keyboards. With the QuickFire Rapid, it uses blue Cherry MX switches, which have a low resistance and a force feedback that'll give you more of a physical, louder click. And for the QuickFire Pro, it uses brown Cherry MX switches with medium resistance and force feedback that's more of a bump, and it's more silent. And the other differences being the Pro is partially backlit and there's a number keypad. One last thing I want to mention is that you get NKRO in USB mode, which stands for N key rollover, and you'll be able to hit multiple keys without running into any issues. And there are two modes, 6 key and N key mode. And in N key mode, you'll be able to press any number of keys. Here's everything that comes in the box. You get the keyboard itself, which I will talk about in just a little bit. But over here we have your quick start guide, USB cable, and keycap tool. I really like this little guy because for some reason I find great enjoyment in taking keycaps off of my keyboard, just like this. And here is a look at your brown Cherry MX switch. Let me just take this off the tool. To replace it, simply just push it back on, and there we go. One more thing, I'm going to bring in the Rapid to give you a comparison of the Keystroke Noises. So here we go. These are the blue switches and the brown ones. Now for a look at the keyboard, but first let's flip it around to the back. We have some rubber padding here so that when you set your keyboard down on a smooth surface, it won't move around. And they've also included these feet so that it angles your keyboard depending on your comfort preferences. And finally, we have this USB port here. I'm going to plug in the USB cable. And I just wanted to say that you do get 5.9 feet of cable, and they've included these channels here, so you will be able to tuck your cables neatly away. I do like that feature. Now, on this side, it is a standard QWERTY keyboard, and you do get a number pad, which is always nice to have. And the function lock key, once on, you will be able to access these 4 keys as well as other keys for advanced functions. And these keys will change your USB polling rates from 125 Hertz to 250 to 500, and then 1000 Hertz. I've plugged in the keyboard so I can show you the alternate key functions using the function lock key as well as your LED settings. So here's your function lock key, and if you press F12 it will lock your Windows button so that when you're in the midst of a grueling battle with the Butcher in Inferno and you get kicked out, you won't have to break your keyboard as a result. Now back to the features. If you turn off the function key, the lock will stay on, and if you turn it back on, turn the lock off, that's how you will turn off the Windows key lock. Now over here we have your LED settings. F1 will turn on your LEDs on your keyboard. F4 will toggle between the various modes, and this third mode is pretty interesting. It fades. It kind of has like a pulsating effect. And F2 and 3 will adjust the brightness of your LEDs. That wraps up our overview on this Cooler Master CM Storm QuickFire Pro mechanical gaming keyboard. I'm Joanne, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our Newegg YouTube channel. Thanks for watching Newegg TV, and we'll see you next time.